Welcome back, HARBROs, to the HARBRO channel. Quality videos, lowest prices. Today we have, it's official. We did release it first. We did see the coupons first. We called the Memorial Day sale first, but it's now on the website. Memorial Day sale. No exclusions. May 22nd to the 25th. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and subscribing and hyping. Maybe checking out the merch store. But let's just jump in. We already did a Memorial Day sale, what we recommend. But this is a Memorial Day sale prep, because it's coming up, starts tomorrow. So we need to prep for it, maybe get your list together, and then give you the do's and don'ts, because there's some sales that are great, 20% hits it, but there's some items that are often and do go on sale more than 20%. Anyways, that's what we'll go over, and maybe touch base on some of the things that we did not touch in the last video. But here it is, Memorial Day sale, no exclusions. We'll just zoom in, 10% off any single item in store and online. That's a little bit different. Maybe we read it. I forget now. I have the memory of a goldfish. 10% off any single item in store and online. I think that's a big difference. I don't think we touched on that before. And so, I mean, 20%, 10%, there is big difference. But at least if you're not able to get in store, at least you're able to shop online. 10% off. Let me know what the HARBROs think. But limit 1 coupon per customer per day, valid in store and online while supplies last, valid the 22nd to the 25th. That's Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Pre-sale included. Pre-sale, we get this question often. Pre-sale per Harbor Freight means with our pre-sale program, many Harbor Freight products are available to order in store for pickup or at a later date. Please note that only items that are included in our pre-sale program are available to order in store. For applicable products on our website, look for the order in store for free pickup message on the product page to find out if the product you want is eligible to order in store for free pickup. So pre-sale program is Harbor Freight products that are available to order in store for pickup at a later date. But that's the Memorial Day sale, 10% in store and online, and then 20% off any single item for ITC members in store only. So not too new. 10% is relatively new. Comment below if that makes it more enticing. Not everybody's ITC. I know not everybody's ITC. I definitely recommend it. But let's look at some items. Well, let's go over first the do's and some of the don'ts. Where we start off, what I did in the last video, always start off at instant savings. Instant savings, I know some of your stores say they are to the book with no combination of any offer stacking on others, but I would say roughly 9 out of 10 stores do instant saving, and you're able to stack it with a 10% or the 20%. Because instant savings are just a newer low price. Wow, instant savings means low price on popular items with no coupons required. So it's not a coupon. Shop these deals in store or online through Thursday 6/4 only. So start at instant savings. The second place where I have you look is start at the new tools, because new tools tend to not go on sale very often. And so we're going to cover a couple of these new tools. But the difference in this video is the one thing I did not touch on was Hercules. Hercules, for the HARBROs at least, have been a bane of our existence for the lack of sales that they've been going on. So 20% off is excellent for anything Hercules. Now, of course, caveat, we know there's a parking lot sale coming up. And in the parking lot sale, going on June 1st to June 7th, and you might see a little bit of an Easter egg over here, but parking lot sale going June 1st to June 7th, Hercules. Buy a Hercules starter kit for $120, save up to $80 by getting a free tool. Choose from 7 tools. So you have the angle grinder, the circular saw, the blower, the sander, the fan, the saw, or the impact wrench. Keep those in mind. Then a couple of deals on the maximum vibration control wall breaker hammer or the 9-amp variable speed surface conditioning tool. So this one's already 20% off, $40 off of 140 is over 20%. So that's an excellent deal. And then with these in mind, as a starter kit, they can be a great deal. So keep those in mind. But outside of those, there's no sales going around right now for Hercules. And so we're starting off with, you have your breaker hammers. We'll skip over those. The 14-amp SDS Max type variable speed rotary hammer, max vibration control, all over $450. But then here, we'll start off with the Hercules 15-amp 12.5-inch portable thickness planer, $400. Professional thickness planer has a 3-knife cutter head that delivers 96 cuts per inch for a smoother professional finish. 59313. 59313. And according to Hazard Fraught, The lowest price this has been at has been $329 back in 2024, and most recently at $350. But 20% off of $400, we'll do the math, $80 off. $80 off, so get it down to $320 compared to DeWalt. And according to the tracker, the lowest it's been is $330. So 20% off. The thickness planer gets it down, at least according to the tracker, down to its lowest price at $320. So if you've been waiting for the portable thickness planer and the Hercules, this is the time to get the Hercules 15 amp portable thickness planer. Save $80, get it down to $320. Now we can't possibly go through all the Hercules, but we'll spot check a few. Hercules 12-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw with precision LED shadow guide, $380. The Hercules miter saw is packed with features of professional for the professional at an unbeatable price. Also compared to DeWalt at $380. This is where my math gets worse, so I apologize for those of you who hate the handy dandy calculator, but it gets it down to $304. But we're gonna check it against the tracker, 56682. Lowest this has been, and it shows a bunch of sales, but ending for some reason in 2025. Not too many sales since then. And of course, the price has gone up as of April of this year. So last month it went up from $350 up to $380. That's a little bit disappointing, but the lowest price it's been is $300. So I'm not sure if we're going to get there. $300 a year ago, essentially, but $300. We're not going to get there exactly, but it'll still be a decent deal. $380. Unfortunate that they raised the price. $380 at 20% off gets down to $304. So the sale had gone on pretty consistently from 2023 to 2025, and it stopped in 2026. And actually, they've raised the price in 2026, but it's $4 more than the lowest price that it's been. So at least from that sense, it's pretty close to the best deal. Unfortunate that they've raised the price on it, but still a good time to get, because it ain't going to be going down lower anytime soon unless you get the coveted 25% off. But that's the compound miter saw. Of course, you have so many more options. Table saw, pinion fence, 15 amp, also $380. Get it down to $304. The 12-gallon OSHA compliant HEPA dust extractor at $369. $370. Get it down to $296. And again, HARBROs, correct me if I'm wrong, we rarely see Hercules on sale, and we've been asking for it for at least a year now, and they give us some bones, but not that many. There's some HARBRO math to be done here. 20-volt brushless, cordless hammer drill and impact driver. This is a 2-tool combo kit with two 5-amp-hour batteries. It's $250. They're already comparing it, if they're sold separately, is about $100 savings. But because this is one stock code, this is a kit, you can get this down to $200. Save $50 with a 20% off. So you're getting 2 tools, 2 batteries, and a charger, all for less than $50 each. Or if you just ignore the charger, each tool is $50 and each battery is $50. So solid deal there. And then of course, everything else, there's so many to go through. You got the high torque impact wrenches, heavy duty professional bench grinder at $200, save $40, abrasive cutoff saw, the speed bandsaw, the universal aluminum mobile folding miter saw stand at $170, not of a limited stock in banning at $170, get it down to $136. The brushless cordless 2-stage vacuum pump tool only, the brushless cordless variable speed surfacing conditioning tool. This is brand new, save $32. Grease gun. The backpacks, all backpacks were recently 40% off, so unless you really want this, probably a skip. Hadn't seen that sell though in a while. The base router with plunge base kit is an option. The 2-gallon wet dry portable vacuum tool only at $95. Get that down to $76, save almost $20. The 12-volt brushless cordless 1/4-inch right angle die grinder tool only $69.99. Already very nicely priced. Get that down to $55.99 compared to Milwaukee. The grinder has a high performance brushless mortar, 25,000 RPM. And of course, these used to be super popular. I don't know if they are anymore, but the extended reach ratchets. This is the 12-volt 3/8 inch at $60, or the 12-volt 1/4-inch extended reach tool, also at $60. 40 foot-pounds of max torque and 4-inch extended neck for power in tight spaces at $60. Get these down to $48. And so that is the Hercules tools not so often, or not, they're not going on sale all that often, here and there, but just keep in mind, again, there will be 7 tools available during the parking lot sale. And then we did touch on this briefly, but there is, what is this, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 23 new G2 ratchets available. Now, will there be a sale on Icon ratchets anytime soon? They have one roughly once a year, but with the G1s on sale, maybe for Black Friday. So that's still a few months away, and at 20% off, you'll have your choice of Icon G2 ratchets. There's over 20 options now. So those are a great choice to use the 20% off on. And then just again, as a note, there is a few times a year, 30% off of items under $20 and under. So unless you really need something that's under $20, you can use the 20% off, but normally wait for the 30% off sale. And then just a few one-offs, the Icon magnetic tool mat, they raised the price on this. This at one point when it came out qualified for the 30% off of $20 and under, but now they raised it $5. But 20% off, you'll get it for the original price that it came out at, $20, so save $5. But definitely a hot tool and super useful tool to have. The Icon tool mat, the new Icon 350-pound heavy-duty mechanics roller seat with drawer and tray, $69.99. I'd buy it at that price, but of course, if you get it for 20% off, get it down to $55.99. I know a few of the HARBROs have already picked it up. Let me know how you like it. But that is our Memorial Day prep. Let me know if I missed any of the rules. Start with instant savings. Hopefully your store lets you stack. So then go into the new tools. But beware of the parking lot sale. That is starting June 1st. Next weekend, free gift if you made it this far. We'll make a video on it. Free gift with any purchase. Choose one of 3 items: microfiber cloths, Hardy gloves, or Quinn 2-piece diamond screwdriver set. Who's here right now at the end of the video? Anyways, we'll do a video on this May 29th to May 31st. Free buckets already happened. But keep parking lot sale in mind. And then of course, anything under $20, wait for the 30% off. And then Hercules rarely go on sale. So check out, get your Hercules tools. Now seems to be the time. Any storage outside of US General Storage Days, sometimes they do 25% off. Icon G2 ratchets are a great get. Magnetic tool, Icon seat. Let me know your lists in the comments. Help the other HARBROs out. But anyways, I'll leave it at that. HARBROs, happy harbor freighting, happy shopping. Good luck out there. Please consider liking and subscribing. Happy Memorial Day weekend to everybody. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your